Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to automatically highlight blank cells in a large sheet so you can instantly spot missing information or data entry errors. First, open your spreadsheet and highlight the entire data area you want to scan. For example, click and drag from cell A2 down to Z1000. If you want to check the absolute entire worksheet all at once, just press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select every single cell. Next, ensure you are on the main Home tab of the top ribbon menu. Look inside the Styles group, click the Conditional Formatting button, hover your mouse over Highlight Cells Rules, and select More Rules at the bottom of the submenu. A new Formatting Rule Settings window will pop up on your screen. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Format Only Cells With, and change it from Cell Value to Blanks. Next, click the Format button inside that same dialog box to choose your alert style. Switch to the Fill tab at the top of the formatting window and select a bright, noticeable color, like a soft red or light yellow, so the empty cells immediately pop out against your data. Click OK to close the Style window, and then click OK one more time to save and deploy the rule. Excel will instantly analyze your entire dataset and paint every single empty cell with your chosen background color, giving you a perfect visual roadmap of where your data is incomplete. And that's it. Your data quality audit is now completely automated. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.